Hello. This week's video is going to be another different video. We're going to be non-furniture flipping again, and we're going to be doing another holiday gift idea for you. Actually, a couple of them. We're making some makeup bags and we're making some pillows, and we're using Iron Orchid Designs paint inlays. And I'm going to show you how you can use them on fabric. So whenever you use the paint inlays on fabric, I'm first using the makeup bags and I put some paper in between. So I'm using Dixie Belle's drop cloth, which is a perfect color to use on this canvas. Then I'm taking the paint inlay with the paint side down and I lay it into the wet paint. And you just kind of smooth it out with your hands. And you can either use a mister bottle, or in this case, I'm just using a really wet paper towel and smoothing out those wrinkles. And then all you do is set it aside to dry. I'm making several of these to sell in my shop for Black Friday Shop Small Saturday weekend. So I'm just painting and doing several inlays. I also do some pillows, and I'm using some unused inlays. And first I just, do the same process. And you just want to make sure, because you're working with a bigger piece of fabric, that you make sure that you have plenty of paint on there. It's going to absorb it. So you want to make sure. So after I was done and everything was dry and I had peeled the paper, I did use some sandpaper on them. That's kind of the secret to making your fabric soft again after you've painted it. I did the same process with the pillows as well. Take a look at the finished pieces. Well, I sure hope you enjoyed that. And there's lots of good stuff coming up. There's a bonus video this week hosted by Crafty Creech, and that is a bare wood challenge. And then also coming up with Sab's Rehabs challenge, that's a dupe challenge. And then also the Spirit of Giving Ugly Duckling, hosted by Corey at Desert DIY. And in that challenge, we give the piece of furniture we flip to someone in need. So lots of fun stuff coming up. I hope you'll subscribe and hit the notifications bell so you won't miss a thing. Thank you so much for watching today. If you like this video, how about giving it a thumbs up and also share it with your friends? If you haven't subscribed, you'll want to do that so you don't miss anything. Visit us at LaVintageDecor.company, and on Instagram we're LaVintageDecor, and on Facebook we're LaVintageDecor Altoona. Stay well.